let's take a look at the question given below. For question 635 for tutorial 4, the question is, determine the force in members BC, HC, and HG. After the truss is sectioned, use a single equation of equilibrium for the calculation of each force. State if these members are in tension or compression. Okay, this question want to find about FBC, FHC, and FHG. But before we find the force, we must determine the cross section of the trusses. So the truss cross section is here. Okay. Before we proceed to the calculation, let's draw the FBD. So here is the FBD. At the FBD, there is a force at point A, which is AY AX. Okay, they have two force because of the pin type. At point E, it is a roller type, so it is at point E is only EY. Okay, we start by doing a summation of Fx and Fy. So we start with the Fx first. Okay, summation of Fx is equal to 0. So we can see that at the x-axis there's only Ax. So Ax equal to 0. Okay, for the y-axis, let's do the summation of Fy equal to 0. For the y, there's an Ay 2 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton, 3 kilonewton, and Ey. So if it's going upward, it's a positive. If it's going downward, it's a negative. So Ay minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 plus Ey. So we solve this. The answer is Ay plus Ey minus 18 equal to 0. Okay, we can't solve this because of we have got two unknown. So we should do the moment. Okay, for the moment, if we want to find the moment at A, we should make E as the reference. E as the reference, okay? Let's change the color for the moment. Okay, this one is Ay, this one is Ax, one is Ey. Okay, let's start with the Ay first. Ay is a negative because it is clockwise. Ay times with the distance. 20 plus this one 2 times 20 this one 4 times 15 plus 4 times 10 plus 5 times 5 equal to 0. Okay, so we solve this and we get AY is 8.25 kilonewton. Okay, we have already got our AY, so we put it into the equation. It's here. AY is 8.25 kilonewton plus AY, we want to find it, negative 18 equal to 0. So EY is equal to 9.75 kilonewton. So we have already got our EY and AY.
The question wants to find the force Hg here. Okay, and let's do the summation of Fx and Fy. Before that, resolve the force of Hg and Hc. Okay, this is how I resolve. Okay, then let's do the summation of Fx and Fy. We have an x-axis, we have 5 here, and we have we have 5 over square 29 Fhg plus 5 over square 34 Fhc minus 10.42 equal to 0, and summation of Fy. Okay, then we cannot solve this equation because we have two unknown here, and here, and also for summation of Fy we also have unknown here, two unknowns. So let's do the summation of moment. Okay, I want to find the force of BC. The force only has at x direction. So let's do the summation of Fx. So Fx equal to 0, which is we have Ax here, so Ax plus Fbc equal to 0. Okay, we can't solve this equation because we have two unknown here. Okay, so let's do this summation moment at point H. Okay, point H. So moment at point H equal to 0. Okay, why we not choose Ax? Because at point A, that's the moment is directly to the force of Fbc, and for point B and C also we cannot use because the force that enter or out from that point is equal to 0. So we must use the point of H to find force of Fbc. Okay, we got this one. Okay, got negative AY multiplied by 5, okay, which is from AY to H and clockwise. Okay, plus 2 multiplied by 5 minus Fbc multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. So we got this 8.25 multiplied by 5 plus 10 multiplied Fbc 3 equal to 0. We got FBC equal to negative 10.42 kilonewton. Okay, this is equal to 10.42 kilonewton. Negative means compression. Okay, so we should, what we assume is not correct, because we should draw like this. Okay, here is FBC kilonewton. This is compression. So we got the answer is 10.42 compression. Moment at point C to find the force FHG. So let's do the moment at point C. MC is equal to 0. We assume anti-clockwise, this is positive, and negative AY multiplied by 10, which is from AY to C, 90 degrees, so it clockwise, plus 2 from here to here, this is anti-clockwise, plus 2 from multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 5 plus, okay, we resolve for HFG. So okay, from here to here, we got 90 degrees in anti-clockwise, plus 5 over 29 FHG multiplied by 5 equal to 0. Okay, we got this one, negative 8.25 multiplied by 10 plus 40 plus 4.6423 FHG equal to 0. We got FHG equal to 9.156 kilonewton tension. We got the answer is positive, which is tension is same like we assume as tension. So we get force for FHG is equal to 9.156 kilonewton in tension.
Okay, last question asks to find FHC. FHC here. Okay. For FHC, it has different pattern from before because it has a big slant. So how to solve it? Before that, we must know at point H and C that has force or not. So based on theory, collinear and non-collinear, A, B, C, this collinear, but the perpendicular to the collinear non-collinear. This line non-collinear. Non-collinear means F equal to 0. But the condition is should be not have external load acting to the point. But this question has 4 kN. So that means point H and C has force. So let's we find force for FHC. Okay, let's find FHC. Before that, we must find the point to do the moment. So I make a new point. 0 prime at here. I make 0 prime at here because it more easy. distance from B, A and X are parallel. Then we have to find the distance of X. X can be found using a proportional triangle like this. I sketch a triangle. This X, Y2, Y1, this X1, this X2. Formula is like this: Y1 per X2 equal to Y2 per X1. Okay, Y1 here, so 3 per X2. X2 5 plus X. 5 plus X equal to Y2 3 plus 2 5 per X1. X1 5 plus 5 plus X means 10 plus X. We solve it. 30 plus 3X equal 25 plus 5X. This 5 equal 2X. X equal to 2.5. X, this distance X 2. Okay, let's redo the moment. Summation moment 0 prime equal to 0. Okay, but before that, we must resolve HC into X and Y axis. Y axis 3, 4, and 5, and we use a theorem particulars. 5 square plus 3 square equal to 34. Equal square roots 34. Okay, then we start. First, we use y-axis HC, y-axis, so 3 per 4 times FHC. FHC, that is unknown, that force that we want to find, and times the distance that perpendicular y. 5 plus 5 plus 2.5 means 12.5. Okay, at point B, 4 km. Point B clockwise, so means for negative 4 times 5 plus 2.5, 7.5. And then at point A, also clockwise, negative 2 times 2.5. Okay, at AY anti-clockwise means positive 8.25 times 2.5 equal FHC 6.3431 minus 14.375. Okay, we get equal FHC. Okay. Answer we get for FHC 2.24. Okay, answer we get to FHC 2.24 tension, because we get answer positive, so this tension, and which is what we assume first, that we assume right tension, right? Okay, answer we get 2.24 tension.